Hey guys! Today's video is all about wooden beads and how to utilize them for your dollhouse crafts. I thought it'd be fun to make a compilation video of the crafts I've made throughout the years, just in case you're like me and have tons of these beads. As always, kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. So first step is a super easy tissue box, just taking off the tiniest piece and twisting inside, using nail polish to bedazzle your bead. Or make little water bottles. As always, if you guys make any of these crafts, you can tag me on Instagram, Facebook. You can also shoot me an email, rainbowtinklesworld@gmail.com. You can post on my website and let me know how you guys use your wooden beads or any other craft you'd like to share. And of course, if you've seen many of my videos, you know I like to make these little animal soap dispensers or just, I don't know, decor, I guess. I glue two beads together and just using craft foam and paper for detail, and for the bunny, of course, a tiny little pom-pom. Using Q-tips and craft foam for the spout. You can also turn them into bookends. So this one's from my frog tutorial. But instead of a soap dispenser top, a little hat, then craft foam, and a bit of fake snow on a painted popsicle stick. Next up, super easy milkshake, just using puff paint for the frosting, and acrylic paint for the chocolate, and bending a little wire for the straw. For the lamp, I'm using a coffee stirrer, washi tape on paper, some cardstock along the top, which I can trim, add a bead for detail, and glue to my straw. These beads are also perfect for tons of different types of mugs. I use an X-Acto knife to carefully open the top. I seal the bottom with hot glue on parchment paper, craft foam for the handle, and acrylic paint or marker for details. Or you can make coconut drinks using nail polish, twine, and puff paint. And for the little umbrella, I paint a paper clip with a mix of brown and white, fold over a tiny little circle of paper, just creating triangles, and I can cut along the middle and glue in place. Another way to utilize your beads, little flower pots. So just craft foam flowers here. I use a pin to guide me, cutting off the tip so I don't poke myself. Glue in place. Pop it off. Add a bead for detail, glue to craft foam, and glue to my bead. And finally, make a super easy retro hairdryer, just gluing a couple of beads together and adding details of paper and gems. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!